Bedford 6-cylinder petrol engine. So that's Richard with his Bedford MW water tanker. Do get a chance, have a closer look at that vehicle, because it's a superb restoration, it really is. Bob Esley, we mentioned previously, was Morris C8 Quad. This is a later war example from around about 1944. Not the fastest vehicle the world has ever seen. However, it wasn't designed to be fast, it was designed to be very rugged, very sturdy, and able to pull very heavy load. So the limber, 25-pounder field gun, the only load in the cabin is going to be all the ammunition, charges, crew of 6 including the driver, all the ordnance, spare fuel, almost every night, severely hampered and slowed production. Also, there were so many vehicles lost on the beach of Dunkirk in 1940, Operation Dynamo. It was all about getting personnel back, pretty much close to zero equipment. Understandably, fall back, that had to be left on the beaches. But very, very small amounts of surviving early war British vehicles still in existence. And the British manufacturers were absolutely flat.